Welcome to Tanxianzhe Hand Cart Factory. Established in 2017, our factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters and specializes in the production of outdoor handcart products. With an independent research and development team, we currently employ 160 staff members and have an annual output of 1 million units, placing us at the forefront of the industry. We focus on the professional development of camping handcart products and hold independent patents. Our products are exported worldwide to countries such as the United States, Germany, South Korea, and Japan. Okay, next up is the presentation of our products. We use high-strength materials for the frames of our handcarts, and each model boasts excellent capacity and weight-bearing capabilities. Additionally, our handcarts come with different types of wheels suitable for most terrains and occupy minimal space when folded.